soil sampling, the soil test, and we are here to pick the seedlings for planting tomorrow.
So the trees that we selected have medicinal value. Of course, apart from medicinal value, we have economic value also.
Now we see the growth and length of the trees and we are very happy. Soon, we can commercialize the sale of the medicinal trees.
One of the community youth that benefits from the Duapa project in Bolkrom. Bolkrom is a small farming community in the eastern region of Ghana in the Degradation Municipal Assembly. For me, using technology innovation to measure and keep data on plant growth helped me to manage farm work and other duties. I am inspired to do this because it helps me to contribute to what Ghana is doing to mitigate and adapt to its climate change. I'm going to African Climate Week to present real information from my community using technology. Thank you YBF, thank you N4C for including youth in your project.